Hi, my name's Heath Stone, founder and CEO of Uncommon Diabetic Solutions. I have been living with type 1 diabetes for over 27 years, and during these years, I've been seeking the truth about how to live an extraordinary or uncommon diabetic life. From this journey, I have discovered that it all comes down to me and building my life's foundations on what I call the 4 pillars of diabetic health. At Uncommon Diabetic Solutions, we are giving people living with and impacted by diabetes science-proven principles to take action and develop the routines that give you more energy, health, and performance. Together, we can double or triple your energy, get better blood sugar control, lose the weight and achieve your fitness goals, get what we all want, better health, more happiness, with the support we need. So I invite you to join our Uncommon Diabetic community and journey with me and others to live your uncommon diabetic life. If you are interested in how I transform my life and how you can create energy for life, then I have a special limited time offer for you. I would like to provide you with a free ticket to attend our Energy for Life workshop. Click the button below to reserve your free ticket now, while spots are available. I look forward to meeting you.